Hi, last class we talked about relative molecular mass, and I defined relative molecular mass as the sum of the relative atomic masses of all the atoms in one molecule of the substance. That was what we treated last class. So today we are going to proceed to calculations involving relative molecular mass. That is the calculations that involve relative molecular mass. And last class I cited an example of hydrogen chloride. I said this hydrogen chloride is a molecule of a substance, and this hydrogen chloride is containing two atoms, that is two elements. They are present in this hydrogen chloride. The elements present, the atoms present there, they are hydrogen. This is the first atom present, hydrogen. Then chlorine, this is the second atom present. We have two atoms present in the molecule of this hydrogen chloride substance. We have hydrogen and chlorine. So the sum this hydrogen has relative atomic mass. This chlorine also have relative atomic mass. The relative atomic mass of hydrogen, is 1, while that of chlorine, the relative atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. These ones are constant. They are going to be given to you inside the question. That given that relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and relative atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5, calculate the relative molecular mass. That's going to be the question. The question is going to be calculate the relative molecular mass of hydrogen chloride given that relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and the relative atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So, and we said relative molecular mass is addition of, that is the sum of all the relative atomic mass present of atoms present in the substance. That is the addition of this relative atomic mass of hydrogen plus that of chlorine will give us the relative molecular mass. You understand? So I said relative molecular mass is going to be relative atomic mass of hydrogen, relative atomic mass of hydrogen plus the relative atomic mass of chlorine. So the relative molecular mass is the same thing as RMM. It is shortened as RMM, relative molecular mass. While relative atomic mass is shortened as RAM, it is relative atomic mass. So in order to calculate the relative molecular mass of hydrogen chloride now, we said it's going to be relative atomic mass of hydrogen plus relative atomic mass of chlorine. So the relative atomic mass of hydrogen given in the question is 1. It's going to be 1 plus the relative atomic mass of chlorine given in the question is 35.5. 1 plus 35.5. So the relative molecular mass of hydrogen chloride is now going to be, if you had 1 with 35.5, you are going to get 36.5. So therefore, the relative molecular mass of hydrogen chloride is 36.5. That's the answer. Do you understand? So let's give another example. Let's take another example. I hope maybe you should try to copy it.